Good morning, everyone. Miss Paul here. So in today's assembly, we're going to think about all of the things that we've missed during lockdown and that we're really looking forward to doing now the restrictions have started to be lifted. This year has been very strange and very difficult. For some of us, life will have changed a lot and might never be the same again. We've all had very different experiences of lockdown, and we need to be mindful of that. But for all of us, there are things that we perhaps used to take for granted that we have really missed. Some of these things are big, like seeing friends and family, and some are small, like getting our nails done. As lockdown eases, we can start to think about the future and what we're looking forward to the most, whether that's sport being back on television, getting your hair done, watching live music, or playing sport with your friends. Everything is important if it helps you to stay positive and remember that, in the end, things will get better. Lots of us are looking forward to when we can see our families and friends again. And our pets, Miss Pet. For some of us, our families live in other parts of the UK and we haven't been able to visit them until recently. So we're really looking forward to when we can see them again. For others, me included, our families live in other countries and we're all looking forward to when we're able to travel to see them once more. Even if our families are near to us, we're all looking forward to the day when we can give them a massive hug again. For some of us, we might have relatives born during lockdown and we have the excitement of getting to meet them for the first time. For a lot of us, our favourite sports and hobbies and pastimes have had to be put on hold, and we're really looking forward to being able to get started again. Sometimes it's special events and days out that we're really looking forward to. Some of us miss watching sport, and some of us miss taking part. And some of us have more exciting hobbies than others for styles. But it's not just the big things that we're looking forward to. I have no idea how much I would miss going out for coffee or going to the food stalls in Spitalfields Market for a treat on a Saturday. Food seems to be a big thing that we are all missing. Teachers and students alike are really looking forward to being back in school. I've been in one day a week with the year 10s and it's lovely to see the school with students in again, even if it is only a few of you. Your teachers are really looking forward to teaching face to face in the classroom again. And your directors of learning are looking forward to seeing all of your smiling faces. Everyone is looking forward to school being back, even if they don't like the early start, Miss Reader. Even Mr. Brown is looking forward to you all being back. This week, I was able to meet Miss Holmes for coffee after school at the Walthamstow Wetlands Centre near my flat. The cafe building was shut, but they were selling coffees and cakes from a trestle table to take away. We had a socially distanced walk and a chat and sat by the pond instead of in the cafe. I've really missed seeing my friends and going for a coffee, something that I used to take for granted. We've been in lockdown for over 100 days, and that is hard for anyone. So as we begin to come out of it into a different type of normal, try to stay positive, be kind to each other. Remember that everyone's experience has been different. Be thankful for the little things and look forward to all the things, big and little, you're going to do when you can. We will all see each other very soon. Take care.